yes, I do use a pill, but it's not, you know, it's not prescription. It's not habit forming. It's called Rest More. And yes, when they say rest more, they're not kidding. And what I usually do is I take this about 20 to 30 minutes before I go to sleep. With, I take it, you know, with water. Well, I have my tea, but I also take it with water. And let me tell you something. I've been quite pleased with them. I have seen just really works. At least for me anyway. You may have to do something different, but I thought I would share with you something that just really helps me get that 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep. Now, another note, if you do try the Rest More, you do have to let it build up in your system a couple of days. You know, you're not going to just drop off to sleep instantaneously or anything like that. You need to take it for at least about 5 consecutive nights to really get it built up into your system. You know, to get, you know, desired effects. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and have a good night's sleep. Have a good one.
When you just need more rest, there's Rest More. For better, more restful sleep, make it part of your nighttime routine.